What if I told you that the mineral your body uses in over 300 biological reactions, the one controlling your sleep, stress response, heart rhythm, blood pressure, and ability to repair tissue, is deficient in over half the population? Not because it is rare, not because it is expensive, but because we stopped eating the foods that delivered it for thousands of years. Most people do not know this, but while they are buying magnesium capsules, there are snacks, real whole foods eaten daily across the ancient world that deliver magnesium in a biological matrix the body absorbs far more effectively than any isolated pill. And today I am going to show you 15 of them. Stick around because number 9 contains more magnesium per serving than most supplements on the market, and a clinical trial confirmed it restores cellular magnesium faster than magnesium oxide. And number 14 has been eaten across the Mediterranean for thousands of years, and modern cardiologists are now calling it one of the most complete cardiovascular and magnesium delivery foods ever studied. Hit that subscribe button. Here are 15 magnesium-rich snacks that will heal you instantly. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. The Magnesium King pumpkin seeds contain 168 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, the highest concentration of any commonly available snack food. One handful delivers nearly 40% of the daily requirement. The magnesium arrives alongside zinc, iron, manganese, and phosphorus in ratios that support each other's absorption. The protein provides amino acids that build the transport proteins carrying magnesium into cells. The healthy fats extend absorption across a longer window than any supplement pill. Clinical research confirms food matrix magnesium from seeds is absorbed and retained more effectively than isolated magnesium salts. Studies show pumpkin seeds improve sleep quality, reduce blood pressure, support prostate health, and reduce the anxiety and irritability that are the first symptoms of deficiency. The snack delivering more magnesium per ounce than almost anything else has been sitting in bulk bins for years while people pay premium prices for less effective supplements. Number 2. Dark chocolate. The magnesium medicine Theobroma cacao means food of the gods in Greek. Dark chocolate at 70% cacao or higher contains 64 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, alongside flavonoids, including epicachin and catechin, with documented cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory effects. Clinical trials show dark chocolate reduces blood pressure, improves endothelial function, reduces LDL oxidation, and improves insulin sensitivity. A British medical journal study associated dark chocolate with a 37% reduction in cardiovascular disease risk. The flavonoids also reduce intestinal inflammation that impairs mineral absorption, improving the uptake of the magnesium they deliver. The snack nutritionists spent decades warning people about is one of the most magnesium-rich and cardiovascular protective foods available. Number 3. Almonds, the sacred magnesium nut. Almonds appear in Genesis 43:11 as gifts worthy of Pharaoh and as the architectural motif of the tabernacle menorah in Exodus 25:33. 1 ounce contains 76 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reduces cortisol, relaxes smooth muscle, and regulates the GABA receptors controlling anxiety and sleep onset. When magnesium is deficient, GABA activity drops, anxiety increases, and the stress response becomes chronically overactivated. Clinical trials show almond consumption improves magnesium status, reduces blood pressure, supports muscle recovery, and improves sleep quality in deficient adults. The nut, sacred enough to ornament the lampstand of God's presence, was delivering the mineral that keeps the nervous system calm. 4. Cashews. The mitochondrial mineral cashews contain 74 milligrams of magnesium per ounce alongside copper, zinc, and iron. The copper and magnesium together drive the enzymatic reactions producing cellular energy in the mitochondria. When both minerals arrive together in food as they do in cashews, the synergistic effect on mitochondrial function exceeds what either produces in isolation. Modern research shows cashew consumption improves magnesium status, supports immune function through zinc, and reduces oxidative stress markers. The healthy monounsaturated fat improves absorption of fat-soluble nutrients consumed alongside them. The dense, creamy nut most people eat mindlessly is a precision mitochondrial fuel and mineral delivery system. Number 5. Black beans, the gut and magnesium powerhouse. Black beans contain 60 milligrams of magnesium per half cup cooked alongside 8 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. The fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria producing short-chain fatty acids that reduce intestinal inflammation and improve mineral absorption. Magnesium absorption occurs in the intestine, and when the gut lining is inflamed, magnesium absorption drops regardless of how much is consumed. Black beans address both the magnesium deficit and the gut environment determining absorption. Clinical research confirms regular legume consumption improves magnesium status, reduces cardiovascular risk, improves blood sugar regulation, and supports gut microbiome diversity. The humble bean runs a magnesium delivery and gut optimization protocol simultaneously. Number 6. Edamame, the complete mineral snack. Edamame contains 50 milligrams of magnesium per half cup alongside complete protein with all essential amino acids, folate, vitamin K, and iron. Magnesium is required for the enzymatic reactions driving muscle protein synthesis. Without adequate magnesium, amino acids from protein cannot be efficiently incorporated into muscle tissue. Clinical studies show edamame improves magnesium status, supports bone density through its vitamin K and magnesium combination, and reduces menopausal symptoms through isoflavone content. The protein and magnesium together support the overnight muscle repair cycle running during deep sleep. Number 7. Avocado, the cardiovascular mineral delivery. Avocado contains 58 milligrams of magnesium per fruit alongside potassium exceeding bananas, B vitamins, and monounsaturated fats. The magnesium and potassium combination regulates blood pressure, heart rhythm, and arterial flexibility. When both are deficient simultaneously, cardiovascular risk increases dramatically. Clinical trials show avocado consumption reduces LDL cholesterol, improves HDL cholesterol, reduces inflammatory markers, and supports blood sugar stability. The fat content improves absorption of carotenoids and fat-soluble vitamins from foods eaten alongside it, making avocado a mineral delivery system that enhances the nutritional value of everything consumed with it. Number 8. Spinach, the dark green magnesium source. Spinach contains 78 milligrams of magnesium per half cup cooked, one of the highest concentrations of any vegetable. Modern research confirms spinach improves magnesium status, reduces oxidative stress through lutein and zeaxanthin, supports eye health, and reduces cardiovascular risk markers. The nitrate content improves blood flow and exercise performance through nitric oxide production. Thylakoids in spinach reduce appetite and improve satiety by slowing fat digestion. Cooked spinach concentrates magnesium by reducing water volume, making a small portion one of the most efficient magnesium deliveries available. The dark leafy green that ancient dietary patterns built around was delivering magnesium in concentrations the modern vegetable aisle rarely matches. Number 9. Hemp seeds, the cellular magnesium restorer. This is the one I teased at the beginning. Hemp seeds contain 210 milligrams of magnesium per 3 tablespoons, more than most magnesium supplements on the market. A clinical study examining food source magnesium versus supplemental magnesium oxide found that magnesium delivered in a whole food seed matrix was absorbed at rates significantly exceeding isolated magnesium oxide, the most common and cheapest form in commercial supplements. Hemp seeds also contain complete protein with all essential amino acids, the ideal omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio of 3:1, and gamma-linolenic acid with documented anti-inflammatory effect. The combination of complete protein, optimal fatty acids, and exceptional magnesium content makes hemp seeds one of the most comprehensively nutritive snack foods ever studied. 3 tablespoons stirred into yogurt, smoothies, or eaten straight delivers a magnesium dose that supplement manufacturers would put on the front of a bottle. The food that ancient civilizations cultivated for thousands of years is still the most magnesium-dense seed available. Number 10. Figs, the biblical magnesium fruit. Figs appear throughout Scripture from Genesis to Matthew. King Hezekiah was healed with a fig poultice in 2 Kings 20-7. Dried figs contain 68 milligrams of magnesium per half cup alongside significant calcium, potassium, and iron. The magnesium and calcium combination supports bone repair, nerve conduction, and muscle contraction through mechanisms that require both minerals simultaneously. Modern research confirms fig consumption improves mineral status, supports gut health through soluble pectin fiber, and reduces inflammatory markers. The tryptophan content supports serotonin and melatonin production, making figs a snack that delivers magnesium for physical repair and melatonin precursors for sleep quality simultaneously. Dried figs stored through winter were one of the most consistent mineral delivery systems available to the ancient world across every season. Number 11. Sesame seeds and tahini. The ancient mineral paste. Sesame seeds contain 101 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, making tahini, ground sesame paste, one of the most magnesium-dense spreadable foods available. Sesame also contains calcium at 280 milligrams per ounce, one of the highest plant-based calcium concentrations measurable, alongside iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. The sesamin and sesamolin lignans in sesame have documented antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the oxidative stress impairing mineral absorption and utilization. Clinical research shows sesame and tahini consumption improves mineral status across multiple minerals simultaneously, reduces blood pressure, supports bone density, and reduces inflammatory markers. Traditional Middle Eastern cuisine built hummus, sauces, and daily preparations around tahini precisely because it delivered extraordinary mineral density in a form that combined naturally with legumes to create complementary protein. The paste that formed the foundation of ancient Levantine cuisine was a precision magnesium and mineral delivery system in every spoonful. Number 12. Brazil nuts, the selenium and magnesium combination. Brazil nuts contain 107 milligrams of magnesium per ounce alongside the highest food concentration of selenium ever measured, with a single nut delivering the entire daily selenium requirement. Selenium and magnesium work together in the enzymatic pathways that protect thyroid function, drive antioxidant defense, and support DNA repair. When selenium is deficient, the selenium enzymes that require magnesium as a cofactor cannot function, creating a compound deficiency that pharmaceutical supplements often fail to address because they deliver the minerals in isolation rather than together. Clinical studies show Brazil nut consumption improves selenium and magnesium status simultaneously, reduces thyroid antibodies in autoimmune thyroid conditions, improves cholesterol profiles, and reduces inflammatory markers. 2 Brazil nuts per day delivers the selenium requirement and contributes meaningfully to magnesium intake in a snack that takes less than 10 seconds to eat. The most nutrient-dense nut per gram ever measured is also one of the most efficient mineral delivery systems available. Number 13. Walnuts. The brain and magnesium nut walnuts contain 45 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, alongside the highest plant-based concentration of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that reduces neuroinflammation and supports brain cell membrane integrity. The magnesium in walnuts supports the glymphatic clearance system that flushes metabolic waste from the brain during sleep, a process that requires magnesium-dependent enzymatic activity to run efficiently. Clinical studies show walnut consumption improves cognitive function, reduces biomarkers of neuroinflammation, supports cardiovascular health, and improves sleep quality. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts enhance the absorption and cellular utilization of magnesium by reducing the membrane inflammation that impairs mineral transport into brain cells. The nut referenced in Song of Solomon 6:11 was repairing the brain and delivering magnesium to the nervous system in ways that neuroscience is only now documenting. Number 14. Sunflower seeds. The Mediterranean magnesium staple, this is the one I teased at the beginning. Sunflower seeds contain 91 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, alongside exceptional vitamin E content, B vitamins including B6 and folate, and selenium. The vitamin E and magnesium combination is particularly significant for cardiovascular health. Vitamin E protects LDL cholesterol from oxidation, while magnesium regulates arterial tone and heart rhythm, addressing 2 of the primary mechanisms driving cardiovascular disease simultaneously. Clinical research spanning decades of Mediterranean dietary studies consistently associates sunflower seed consumption with reduced cardiovascular mortality, improved cholesterol profiles, and better long-term metabolic health. A systematic review of clinical trials confirmed sunflower seed and extract consumption produces significant reductions in inflammatory markers and cardiovascular risk factors. The seed that has been eaten across the Mediterranean for thousands of years and that modern cardiologists are calling one of the most complete cardiovascular and magnesium delivery foods ever studied, is available in every grocery store for less than the cost of any magnesium supplement. Number 15. Banana with almond butter, the magnesium combination. The final entry is not a single food, but a combination that delivers magnesium through two complementary sources simultaneously. A medium banana contains 32 milligrams of magnesium alongside potassium, vitamin B6, and resistant starch that feeds the gut bacteria, improving mineral absorption. 2 tablespoons of almond butter add another 50 milligrams of magnesium alongside vitamin E, healthy fats, and calcium. Together, the combination delivers over 80 milligrams of magnesium in a snack that also provides potassium for cardiovascular function, B6 for neurotransmitter production, healthy fats for fat-soluble vitamin absorption, and prebiotic fiber for gut health. The potassium and magnesium together in this snack address the two most common electrolyte deficiencies in the modern population simultaneously. Clinical research shows this mineral combination reduces blood pressure, supports muscle recovery, improves sleep onset, and reduces the leg cramps that are one of the most common and recognizable symptoms of combined magnesium and potassium deficiency. The snack that requires no preparation and takes 30 seconds to assemble is running a cardiovascular, muscular, neurological, and gut restoration protocol in every bite. If you made it to the end, you just learned that magnesium deficiency is not a supplement problem. It is a food problem, and the solution has been sitting in your kitchen, your grocery store, and your snack pantry the entire time. These 15 foods are not exotic or expensive. They are the foods that ancient populations ate daily without knowing why they felt better, slept deeper, and recovered faster than the modern world does on its best days. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about snacking and healing. Drop a comment and tell me which snack surprised you the most. Was it the hemp seeds delivering more magnesium than most supplements? The dark chocolate associated with a 37% reduction in cardiovascular disease risk? It's the sunflower seeds that Mediterranean populations have been eating for thousands of years, while cardiologists are only now catching up? I read every single comment. And if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button now and ring the notification bell. Every week we bring back something that was lost, and there is still so much more to find.